Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in this video, I'm going to show you all my shopping from Primark London. You know, Primark is Irish high fashionable retail store that is really famous for its reasonable stuff. You know, you will get many things in £1, like in 100 Indian rupees, and I've done a lot of shopping from there. I have bought accessories, I have bought makeup products, I have bought bags, I have bought winter wears, I have bought footwears and many things from Primark London. You know, first Primark store was in US. It was started in US, and then it came to UK as well. And there are so many Primark store in UK, and you will get many amazing stuff from there. And basically, it's very famous because the price is so reasonable that you want to buy everything from there. Like me, it's my tip. Please, control your hands, because you will also buy some extra and unnecessary stuff for yourself. Like me, I've done a lot of shopping. So now, without wasting much time, let's start with the accessories that I have bought from Primark London. As I'm a bit late in making this video because I was in London in October 2018 and I'm making this video in April 2019. So I have unpacked a lot of stuff and I've used it because I have no patience in using new things. So firstly, I have bought this beautiful dangles. Actually, it's 5 beautiful pieces of dangles in each and every color. You can see it has rose gold, silver and grey, and you can also see the price. It's this 5 pairs of dangles in just rupees 100 Indian rupees, or I can say £1. And isn't it amazing? 5 pairs of dangles, if I calculate just 20 rupees for each dangle, so it's really cheap. And now next, then I have bought these 2 pair of dangles. You can see it's so amazing. And I'm obsessed with dangles nowadays. I'm wearing it in each and every party and lunch, and everywhere I'm wearing dangles nowadays. So these 2 pairs are also for rupees 100, or I can say £1, and I can say 50 rupees for each pair, and that's not bad deal at all. And now next is this beautiful pair of earrings. You can see it has beautiful and amazing tassels, and this is also for £1 only. And now this beautiful chains, you can see the pendant. It's so amazing. As I have used all the stuff, so the condition of my stuff is not so good now, but I'm really loving showing it to you guys. So these 2 pieces of chain is also for rupees I guess it was for £2. It's for 200 rupees only, so I'm loving it. And now next is this 4 beautiful rings. You can see this beautiful rings. This is also for £1 only. I'm loving it. You can see. So this is all about accessories. Now let's move ahead to the makeup products that I bought from London Primark, and makeup products and also fragrances. So girls, let's start with the fragrances first. So I have bought this amazing body mist polka. You can see this is just for £3. The price is written here, just rupees 300, and the fragrance is so amazing. I'm totally loving it. Next is Alice in Wonderland Disney Smile Body Mist. I'm just loving this fragrance. This is also for rupees 300, that is £3. And the fragrance is amazing. I hope I can make you smell this. And now next is Love Forever, and this is beautiful pocket perfume. I was loving this bottle because it's so cute. You can see, and this is for £2 only rupees 200. And trust me, the fragrance is so amazing, and it's this is so reasonable. 200 rupees, it's too reasonable for pocket perfumes, and the fragrance is so long lasting and amazing. And now next is this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I've already used it, you can see, because it's been 6 months and I've used the palette, and the results are amazing. I'm getting many compliments for my eye makeup after using this palette. And can you guess the price of this palette? This is just rupees 400, and I'm getting so many shades in rupees 400, and the quality is also amazing. So you can just buy any makeup product from Primark London. And now this, if you are glitter obsessed, because I am glitter obsessed and I love wearing glitter, so I have bought this glitter palette from Primark London, and this was just rupees 400. I have bought so many shades of glitter in rupees 400 and I'm totally loving it. You can see Primark and this glitter obsessed eye palette. Now next is this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is so amazing, like it has so many shades. And now next is this silver tint for eyes. And now next is Nudes Metallic Eye Cream, and this is for £2. I haven't opened it yet because I have bought so many eyeshadow, so definitely I'm gonna use it soon. And this is for rupees 200. This is a metallic eye cream, and Primark is having a lot many dramatic eyelashes. I have bought few of them from there, and in just rupees 100, that is £1. And you can see I have bought so many eyelashes from there. I have bought 4 pairs of eyelashes from Primark London, and this silicone blender. This is doing amazing for me, silicone blender from Primark. So now after silicone blender, I have bought this 2 amazing shade of lipstick from Primark. Like it's really long lasting, and like it is so amazing and lustrous for lips. And this is matte shade, this is nude, and this is a pink shade. Like I'm wearing this lip shades in the daily routine, and this is really great product. I totally love the quality of Primark. This is so amazing. So these 2 lipsticks from Primark, this blender, you can see like it blends my foundation really well. And this eye color, this was just rupees, I guess it was under £1. I guess it was for 50p only, 50 Indian rupees. So it was so cheap, so I bought this. And this beautiful brush, massaging brush for face. You can see I can like scrub my face, I can do cream massage, I can wash my face using this brush. So guys, this was all about makeup and accessories. Now let's see some more amazing stuff that I bought from Primark. And this beautiful and cute loafer, you can see I bought from Primark. This is amazing color, red color strawberry loafer. It was just rupees 100, that is £1. And then I have bought some more amazing stuff. This is exfoliating gloves. Exfoliated gloves for body and face to leave your skin feeling smooth, and this is also for £1 only. So I have bought 2 of them, and this is doing really great for me. I've used this one, and it makes my skin really smooth and nice. And now I have bought this beautiful socks. It has become dirty because I have used this. Recently I have visited Jaisalmer. There I used this beautiful and cute little, and this is so smooth like socks. I was having a very good night's sleep wearing this. So this is really cute. This is for rupees 200 Indian rupee and £2. This is so amazing. So now next I have bought this cute little Tweety brush bag. I can keep my makeup brushes in this. So this is so cute. And now next is this this towel. Like this is actually not towel, this is like a makeup remover towel, and this is so amazing. I can tell you, whenever I'm tired, I just really feel lazy to remove my makeup, so I use this towel. I just wet this towel and remove all my makeup, and really it removes all my makeup so nicely. I can tell you, like this is life. And now next is this beautiful band. I was really looking for this cute band because whenever I put on face mask or face scrub or anything, my hair becomes really dirty. So I just wear this cute little band and then I apply any face mask, and this looks really cute and it's fashionable too and it's comfortable too. So now next is this is actually a towel because when I want to dry my hair, whenever I wash my hair and I want to dry it, I just tie my hair like this, and it really dry my hair within 2 minutes, and by the time I can do my makeup, I can do anything. So this is really comfortable. I can, oh my god, it is like my hair is all messed up. So this is really a good product. This was for £3. This is for 300 rupees, but it's really amazing product. I don't need to put on and fold towel. It becomes really heavy, so this is more comfortable for drying my hair. And now next is this cute socks. You can see this cute teddy socks from Primark. This is also for £3, 300 rupees. It was quite expensive, but I was totally loving it because it also has gel. You can see, and but I was totally loving this teddy, so I bought it from London. So Primark is amazing. You can see that I have bought so many things, amazing stuff from Primark. So now this cute little band from Primark, this beautiful hairbands, you can see all this beautiful hairbands that I have bought from Primark. And you can see you'll get like so many things in one store only. And I have bought accessories, and now I'll show you my bags and my winter wear collection that I have bought from Primark. So let's proceed. So girls, now let's see more amazing stuff that I have bought from Primark. This comfortable and cozy pillow, you can see that I can use in my flights, and this is also was very cheap. It was like for £4, just rupees 400 if we go to airports and all. This is so expensive, but this is just for rupees 400 from Primark. Now let's proceed towards bags and bum bags. This cute bag, you can see this is so amazing and fashionable. It has furs and this looks so trendy, and I bought this from Primark. This was like for £12, that is rupees 1200 Indian rupee, but this is like a good deal because this is so trendy and cool. Whenever I have carried this, I have got compliments, so this is really high fashionable stuff. Now this cute little bum bag that I bought from Primark, this was for £7, that is 700 Indian rupee, and this is a very good deal in 700 rupees. Now let's proceed for this bag, this red bag with this beautiful fur handle. You can see this looks so trendy. This was again for £12, that is 1200 rupees. Like you will get so many amazing bags in £12 in Primark London. Mostly my bags is for £12 only. Now this is one more amazing bag. This looks so trendy and the color is so good. Black is always good. So this is again for £12, that is for 1200 rupees. And now next is this beautiful bag. This is just for £3, that is 300 rupees. Because this is not bag, this is for keeping makeup products or anything you want to keep. This is like multi-purpose use bag, and it has also London written on it. That's why in a memory of London I bought this. Okay, so I have bought this amazing 5 pair of stockings, and this was just rupees 300, and 5 pairs of stocking in rupees 300. It's written over there, you can see. So this is so amazing. I have bought this 5 pair in just rupees 300. Now this beautiful thermal wear, this is only for £2. So I bought it. And now next is let me show you more amazing stuff. You can see this beautiful store, like it's a amazing fur store that I bought from London. You can see it looks so amazing. This is also I guess for £10, that is 1000 Indian rupee, but I'm totally loving it. It's so cozy, comfortable. And now next amazing jacket. So this amazing jacket from Primark London. this was quite expensive. It was for £20, that is 2000 rupees. And you can see this jacket looks so trendy. If you go to any brand, you will not get such jacket in 2000 rupees. So I'm totally loving this jacket, this black color, and this looks very cool. So now one more fur jackets. Like London has all winter weather, so you'll get many good winter stuff in London. And this amazing fur jacket, you can see, this was also for £20, that is 2000 rupees, but this is totally worth it. This is so warm and this looks so trendy. I'm totally loving it, and I really wore it in Jaisalmer and it looks really amazing. So now next, I've got this beautiful and cool jacket. This is super light packable jacket, and this is for £15. I love the color white because this looks so trendy and cool. So one more amazing jacket from Primark London. Like you'll get so many amazing jackets in 1500 and 2000 rupees in Primark London. Now you can see one more amazing jacket from Primark. The color is so trendy. You can see red beautiful jacket, and this is from Primark, and this is again for rupees 2000, that is £20, and it has bell sleeves in it. This is my favorite jacket from Primark London because of the color, because I love the red color of this jacket. So you can have a look. Now let's move ahead towards hats and amazing fur beanies that I've bought from Primark. So this cute beanie, you can see, this looks so amazing, and this all is for like around 250 rupees, that is £2.50p, 2.5. So you can see this amazing beanie. This is for only 200 rupees. The color looks so good and cute, you can see. And now this amazing and cool cap. This is for £3, that is 300 rupees. So amazing. Now one more cap from Primark. This is again £3, 300 rupees. One more cute grey beanie. This is for 250 rupees, that is £2.50p. It's so amazing. This beautiful and amazing animal print stole. This is for only 150 rupees, that is 1.5, £1.50p. This looks so amazing. And now, last but not the least, this beautiful footwear that I've bought for £3, 300 rupees. This is so comfortable and cozy. You know, it becomes so dirty because I'm wearing it from past 5 months. The quality is so good because I'm using it from past 5 months, and this is looking great still, like, and this is for 300 rupees. So this was all my amazing stuff from Primark London. I hope you really like it, and if you really like it, please plan your trip to London and do a lot of shopping from Primark. And my tip is please buy a lot of winter wear from Primark because you'll get high fashionable stuff in very reasonable price, and don't do some extra shopping because you'll get all the things in so reasonable price that you want to buy everything. Like I have bought few things that I'm not using from past 5 months. So just do smart shopping, do whatever you like, you find really trendy and cool. And I hope you like my shopping from Primark UK, and you will soon plan your trip to Primark UK, and you'll do a lot of shopping from there. And this is really very good for Indians because you can buy a lot of gifts for your relatives too from London. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really like this video, and if you really like it, please give it a thumbs up. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Now me, Sagrika, signing off, and please watch my lookbook to London. I'll share my link in description box.